Hi friends, this is Vicky with Grandma Vicky Crafts, and today I'm just jumping on to bring you back to 3 of my last year's Halloween type craft ideas that we did. So the first one here is the Easy Pumpkin wall tile craft that I made, and it was using the Dollar Tree pumpkin craft DIY form. And the little wooden box, the tile that you get from the Dollar Tree, and just some decorations. So this was an easy one to do, and it was very well liked. So I thought I'm just going to bring that back for you to go and have a look at again. Another one was my Cutest pumpkin makeover, and this was really easy to do. This was made with one of those styrofoam pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. Didn't matter what color it was. I think mine was orange. And just some material. This is so easy to do. So I'll have my video to redirect you back to this one. And thirdly, I have my Easy Pumpkin napkin craft. And again, just made with the Dollar Tree wooden pumpkin frame and a Halloween napkin Mod Podged on here. So these are 3 easy ideas for you to go back to, and I'll have them all linked below in the description box. And also another one I'm going to link, I don't have it with me at my table, but it is my primitive pumpkin craft. And that was the one that was the pumpkin pail craft idea, where you cut out the eyes and the nose and the mouth on the pail, and then you spray painted it and you covered it with cinnamon and then another finishing spray. So I'm going to link that one back too, as that was yet another favorite of mine. So I hope you enjoy going back and watching those 4 tutorials, and happy crafting everyone, and thanks for watching. Bye now.